In order to create a new product, it is not necessary for me to start from scratch each time. Instead, I can take a copy based on an existing product and then customize it. This is what we're going to do now. I want to offer an additional premium product which provides extra coverage for musical instruments at an adjusted rate. We've received the adjusted rates in the form of an Excel table. So let's use our product Home Contents Compact. Via the context menu, I'm going to start the wizard for the copying of products. For the copy, we can specify here from which date the new product shall be valid. I'm entering April the 1st, 2012. In order to keep track of the products, I'm going to determine in the field Package that the copied product shall be placed into its own package, HC Premium. In relation to the table contents, I can choose whether these shall also be copied or whether I want empty tables to be created. Since we also want to compile new values in the rate table, I do not include the contents of the tables in the copy. The names of the product components can be customized by way of a Search Replace module. Our new product shall be called Premium. This means I will search for Compact and replace it with the word Premium. In the bottom part of the wizard, we can see the product structure to be copied. In addition to the product itself, I can also copy the base coverage and any extra coverages. Here we also see the names which have to be replaced. The product, the base coverage, and the rate table have received new names. In the new product, I do not want to adapt the extra coverages, bicycle theft and overvoltage damage. Therefore, in relation to these, I choose Link instead of Copy. This way, they are not copied, but referenced in the new product. Before creating the new product, I will preview it first. Once everything is OK, I confirm with Finish. We now see a new package, HC Premium, in the Product Definition Explorer, which contains our new product. The structure of the new product is now displayed in the Product Structure Explorer. Let's start by editing the product. I change the display name for the product to Home Content Premium. I increase the proposed sum insured to €800 per square meter. For this product, I want to allow additional payment methods of quarterly as well as biannual and annual payments. To do this, I change the value set for the payment method and add the value 4 for quarterly. Here I can select from the values defined in the product model. Next, I determine the rates for the base coverage. To do this, I edit the rate table of the base coverage. Here we can see the table we copied without any content, into which I can now import the rates from my Excel table. To do this, I select my Excel file and import with Finish. Compared to our compact product, the rates have risen slightly. I close the table. Now I'm back in the editor for the base coverage, where I quickly change the name to Base Coverage Premium. Next, I will create another optional extra coverage using the Product Structure Explorer. To do this, I create a new product component using Add New and then Extra Coverage Type in the context menu. First, I assign the name HCC Musical Instruments. On the next page, I change the package the new product component should be created in to Products HC Extra Coverages. As a name, I enter Musical Instruments here. The sum insured shall be 3% of the base coverage, capped at €5,000. I therefore enter 0.03 in Faktor and €5,000 for the maximum sum insured. I calculate the insurance premium for the extra coverage with the help of a formula. It shall be 2% of the sum insured plus €10. Here I can open the formula editor and enter my formula. At the top, I can see to which parameters I have access. I can see the sum insured as an attribute of the coverage. This shall now be multiplied by 0.02 and an additional €10 added. And this concludes the definition of the formula for the premium calculation. Now that I've created the new extra coverage, I'm finished in defining my new product. Let's now take a look at the way in which the insurance calculator displays the new product. I can generate a quote for the new product HC Premium directly in the insurance calculator. It is not necessary to adapt the program code, since all the necessary information is made available through the Faktor IPS product server. So I change back to our insurance calculator. With the button New, I start creating a new quote. Initially, I cannot find our new product, Home Content Premium, in the product list. This is because the start date of the contract lies before the validity date of the new product. So I adjust the start date of the contract. I am looking for a quote for a contract which starts on May the 1st, 2012. By doing this, my new product, Home Content Premium, is now displayed, and I select the product by clicking OK. In the title at the top here, I find the name for the new product displayed. I enter the zip code and living space, same as for the quote in part 1 of this video. Zip code 30161 and 90 square meters of living space. We now see that we had defined a proposal of €800 per square meter for our premium product. Compared to our product Compact, this results in the higher total sum insured of €72,000. Under Scope of Coverage, I can now see the new optional extra coverage musical instruments. Once I select it, the sum insured is calculated in accordance with the product configuration. We recall 3% of the base coverage capped at €5,000. In addition, the insurance premium for the extra coverage is calculated. For the calculation, we had defined the following with regard to the product: 2% of the sum insured plus €10. The rate for the extra coverage is included in the calculation of the total insurance premium. Under Payment Methods, in contrast with the Comfort product, I now also have the option to select quarterly payments. Thank you very much for your interest in Faktor IPS. For more information, please visit our website at www.faktorzehn.org.